All right, what's good, y'all? This is Swerve Boy S1000RR K. We got some velocity stacks here for y'all, and we're showing some before and afters of our 1.0 velocity stack that we have now changed. New materials for better innovation, better product, more horsepower. All right. This is our first stack right here. As you can tell, it has a few heat marks on it, stuff like that, with gasoline marks. This is the same one that just came out of this airbox. This airbox isn't clean or anything like that, so it's freshly used. As you can see, some take a beating differently than others and stuff like that. So the inconsistency with these velocity stacks under heat and gasoline, we had to go with a whole new design, changing up the print style and the design in general to create more velocity. So you see, we went with more rings around it to add a more vortex effect of the wind, swirl, ram air. And we've also went with the material for the buoyancy and ultra flame resistant and heat resistant. The back end, we changed up the back end and made it more flat to the surface of the airbox. That way you won't get that suction with it pulling back out. You can still use the rings that we put in the package for more security, because they do go around still, right? They still fit just fine. But that's for extra security. We don't believe that you will need that, but we'll put them in the box for you to help out. But this is the 2.0 squishy. I'll show it to you on the airbox. This is it right here. Looking clean, super flame resistant. I'm gonna cut the camera so I can show you the inside of it in a second, a little better. That's the 1.0 OEM and 2.0. But these are about to drop real soon. You know what I mean? We're getting them out to previous customers who had the 1.0. We're gonna upgrade you to the 2.0 for free. So just, if you see this video, just give us a holler. If you had a 1.0, show us your order and we'll upgrade you to the 2.0. But that wraps it up. Hey, we appreciate y'all for following us so far, getting us, to the next level, taking us, getting our brains going, sending us parts, and, just overall in the name of motorcycles, just being more innovative. We appreciate the support. We appreciate the help. If you can just help us make more content and, get our products out there, just give us a like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Swerve Boy S1000RR, and we out of here.